Growing hemp, there's a lot of buzz. There's so many discoveries. People are learning more things about it every day. I can't get enough. Harvesting and drying hemp can be a wild storm. And so to get control of that was so key.
Planting, growing, that's all the easy stuff. Drying the hemp is the difficult part. If you don't have your own dryer, you're looking for a place to get it dried, and you have to truck it there.
You have to have your drying solution, and you really have to know that it's there, and that's why we chose to bring it in-house.
The HopsHarvester dryers were economical, readily available, and you basically built them after you got the internal parts, and that made it affordable.
It really changed the picture for us, because then we could have a modular unit that we controlled. Temperature, we could do everything. We have no problem getting below 10% moisture content within 24 hours. We can do about 500 dry pounds per day per machine. After a week of production, then you've got 10,000 pounds in your dry storage. The machine paid for itself within a week.
Each dryer complete, I budgeted out $8,000, and that's basically where they came in. These are ideal. I have 4. I know one individual that has 6.
The hemp dryer sets a pace. People respond to that, and so they keep that pace.
By the time the first floor that started out dumps, it has dried for 12 hours, and we're down to 8-9% moisture level, where it's ideal for certain extractors, especially my extractor. I have a total count of poundage, and then it goes to the extractor.
Does drying facilitate getting to market quicker? Absolutely. We have a really high level of efficiency. Would I recommend the system? I do.
It's manufactured here in the United States. I definitely recommend HopsHarvesters to other growers.
Start with your drying solution and work backward. That's how big of a crop you can grow.
It's worth its weight in gold for getting the product dry.